Hey loves, my name is Genevieve. If you're new to my channel, you're welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by and welcome back. Alright guys, if you want to see how I achieve this cute hairstyle using Brazilian wool, please keep on watching. So guys, with no further ado, let's jump right into the video. Hey you guys, welcome. All right guys, I'm gonna head to make a cornrow off camera to speed up the process. Like I don't want to spend all the whole time trying to make cornrows. Like I'm not gonna waste your time in making cornrows, so I just did that off camera. So here, yeah, I know my cornrow is not neat, right? I have nails on and I really had to make cornrows to be very neat with my nails on. And besides, nobody's gonna see it, right? Like the crochet, the Brazilian is going to cover up the whole cornrow. So when I'm done with it, you're not even going to see the cornrow. So that was why I didn't even bother myself trying to make it to come on neat, right? I can do better. Okay, so moving on, I'll just go on to crochet the hair on my cornrow. All right, so once I'm done, I'll just move on to the front part. Okay, so I'm just speeding up everything because I don't want to bore you up with watching me crochet the hair, because that is not why you're here. Okay, like this video is not a tutorial of how to crochet. Okay, if you want to know that, I have a video on my channel. You can go on and look that up. Okay guys, so here I'm going out to section different of the hair the way I want it. All right, so I'm making 4 parts in triangle form. Okay, so afterwards I'll use edge control to apply a knead and slick it down on my brush, and then I'm going on to use a rubber band, a small black rubber band, to hold it and put it in place. All right, so I'm going to do that for the 4 sections, and afterwards I'm going to go ahead to crochet the Brazilian wool underneath.
See it on my face, I made up my mind. Not another day, you're on borrowed time. Let me get away, yeah I'm running. So love me or leave me, I'm standing alone. Can't shake a feeling that lives in my bones. Lie to me, tell me you wish that you could, but nothing you gave me is worth what you took.
Alright, I'm done with sectioning the head, so I'm going on to crochet the Brazilian wool on it. Alright, so I'm making it in 2 sections. I'll crochet the horizontal, and then afterwards I'll go show the vertical, if that makes sense. But I don't know how to explain this very well, but I'll just like you to watch and see what I'm doing. Sometimes it can be a bit difficult to explain, so please guys, just pardon me if I'm not really explaining it well. But once you just watch it, you see what I'm doing, and it's pretty easy to do. So when I'm done crocheting the hair, I'll go on to take my hair together with the wool, and then I'll try to tuck in my hair inside the wool, and afterwards I'll go on to twist and roll. I'm not twisting like the normal way we do twist braids or whatever, but I'm just like folding it and like wrapping it around. I'll just wrap it around, make sure that my hair is inside the Brazilian wool, that Brazilian is covering my hair, and then I wrap it round. All right, so as you can see what I'm doing right now, okay, so you just fold it and you wrap, you fold and you wrap, okay. Okay guys, so this is what I'm going to be doing for the rest of the hair in the front. Okay, I have about four of them, so I'm just going to do this same thing for the four of them. All right.
See it on my face, I made up my mind. Not another day, you're on borrowed time. Let me get away, yeah I'm running, yeah I'm running. So love me or leave me, I'm standing alone. Can't shake a feeling that lives in my bones. Lie to me, tell me you wish that you could, but nothing you gave me is worth what you took. 'Cause baby, when I'm gone for good. Feel it rising up, then I push it down. Saying you're in love, I could go without. Let me get away. It's over now, it's over now. So love me or leave me, I'm standing alone. Can't shake a feeling that lives in my bones. Lie to me, tell me you wish that you could, but nothing you gave me is worth what you took. Walk away, don't look. Baby, when I'm gone for good. Baby, when I'm gone for good. When everything falls apart, sing a bullet right through my heart. Yeah, walk away, don't look. Baby, when I'm gone for good. See it on my face, I made up my mind. Not another day, you're on borrowed time. Let me get away, yeah I'm running, yeah I'm running. So love me or leave me, I'm standing alone. Can't shake a feeling that lives in my bones.
So guys, if you have stayed with me till now and you are not yet subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? kindly click on the red subscribe button to get subscribed, and also give this video a thumbs up. Turn on your notification bell so you get notified on any of my new uploads, because I have loads of them coming your way. Okay, and also comment on the comment section what you think about this hairstyle, or if you have any hairstyle you think you want me to create or recreate, please kindly put it there, so it will help me to have an idea of what my next video will be like. So guys, I really appreciate all your efforts in watching my videos, in your comments, and all of those your likes, and I really appreciate it so much, and I pray that God will bless you for supporting me. Okay guys, this is it for this video. I will see you all in my next one. Do endeavor to stay safe and be blessed. I love you all, but God loves you more. Peace.